know what I'm saying, man? You know, we got side. We're gonna go inside.
Ooh.
Gotta come do what I gotta do, man. Go home.
Iced out, boy. That way, this way, that way, this way. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We outside, man.
This shit high, boy.
Shawty catch a vibe, yeah, I had to put her on. Bought a two-seater, yeah, we heading for the sun. Shawty got my high, I ain't tripping for the funds. Yeah, I won't start, I ain't tripping, I'm a stun. Oh, living lively. Everybody tryna ride my wave, they can ride me. Pull up in a foreign to the curb, looking nice.
Man, stop playing, man. You already know what's up, man. You already know Tut Too Funny is back outside with another banger. You already know what's up. So I don't even know how to say it. You already know where I'm at Corey's shop, bro. You know what I'm saying? We got the scat packs outside. We got the wide body. That's mine's. Nasty. Here go Boosie wide body. Ooh wee. He got the them bitches big. This shit nasty, man. We outside scats wide bodies all day, man. We in the shop though, bro. For real though. Look at the big Escalade sitting up. Big up, nigga. Stop playing. Oh my God. Oh, we got the dogs out. Look the doggies. Look at the Frenchies. Yeah, I got like 3 of them boys. What's good, brother? You all right? I see y'all putting in that work, man. That thing look nice. She ready to go, huh? Y'all gotta have the fluids in there, right? Yeah. PCM program. Look at that. Look at that air intake, nigga. Golly. Yeah, y'all stay blessed. You know what I'm saying? Look at this bitch. This is up. Hey, this can be one of y'all's real soon. This can be one of y'all's real soon. Y'all better get in that raffle. Big SSG shit, man. Stop playing, man. You already know we outside, bro. This the whole house. Man, he about to hook this bitch up, bro. Big SSG shit all around, bro. This a nice warehouse, bro. This whole nasty. Oh yeah, you already know what's up, man. We outside, man. Big Detroit shit, man. I moved from Detroit to Houston, man. Look. Them boys got the Doom buggies outside. What year is this, Court? 71. 71. Somebody was standing on this bitch. That nigga standing on his own. Hey, it's his shit. You can do what you want to do. Man, y'all can win that shit, man. Y'all make sure y'all join that raffle for sure. Boy.
Cap.
Oh no, I just got my mid-muff and my resonator deleted. And some new pipes on that bad boy. Hey, but I couldn't get that thing without getting my credit right. I'm trying to tell him. What? Shit, 0 down. Stop playing with me. This shit easy. His Frenchie nasty. That's a girl too. She ready to go.
She just went through the first heat. So.
Oh yeah, second heat. She ready to go. Hey, mama. Hell yeah. Look at this man. I ain't never seen this nigga wear red. It's always blue. That nigga got on blue. They got on red today. Ooh wee. You might take the SNG sticker off. They way quicker than the stream, huh?
Yeah.
I know, I watch, nigga. I was like, nigga, I'm about to go come watch that shit real quick. I'm about to get that. Hey, Boosie, what you just add on your car? What was that? That jet fuel, that power flow? There you go. You see some difference in your performance in your car?
They ain't bro, D-boy different. D-boy, this bitch got them on out of here from the bottom, bro, and put that bitch back in. You can say don't do it.
Boys was
never get that bumper back.
You was standing in the middle of that motherfucker. That wrap, man. Look at this wrap, boy. I need, man.
Take it off and nothing.
Oh, nasty. But that's the real camera right there. That's what I'm about to get. I got to get one of those ASAP. It looks like it's ready to go. Start that bitch up right now. No, I'm playing. It's gonna blow. He gonna blow that thing. No oils in there. What? Hey man, it's gonna be a shot. It's gonna be a car. You said it's gonna be a car wash. What else you say it's gonna be?
We get car wash up here, get their car fixed. CD boy do about done every damn thing.
Man, what?
Boy took a boy out the Hellcat for the whole other Hellcat. And we were doing the oil change and the brake pads and shit. They do a lot. These boys do about anything though. You feel what I'm saying? So it'll be a lot. It's just gonna be like an all-in-one type shot. Like where the only thing we ain't doing is paint and stuff. But we cut down the mechanic. You know what I'm saying? Any of that, any of the tire changing and stuff, they got it. You feel me? We have a barber shop in there. We sell our merch and stuff in there. You know what I'm saying? And it's gonna be dope. We have a game room. Cause there ain't gonna be no more people that come and just chill though.
Right. That shit live. You can come get your hair cut, nigga, get your car done, car wash. That's a whole. You can bring the family up here. I'm talking about what? Look at the. I know you about to pay. I know you already know what you're gonna do. You know what a Geminis do. You see what I did ASAP. I ain't playing no game. That bitch nasty, man. You gonna color all this shit, ain't you? Y'all seeing what's these 36s?
36. Shit, no, but 30.
30. Wait, hey. That's shit. That's damn their thing. Yeah, they throwing that bitch in there for sure. That's already in there for sure. Look at him.
I was talking about the fuel line. The one he had on here first, that magnet.
That's 9 Trey in the building. That's the mechanic in this motherfucker. You already know what's up, man. He got the same thing.
You got a wood food? I roll a real one. It's me right there, but your fingers all off with my mind.
That nigga hear this shit in the windshield. That's probably why I got a crack from the old one, nigga.
Oh, you only got one?
He bought a single? He lying, he capped. I know you got more than that. There we go. They ain't had a whole pack, he had about a single.
So I need to hold that bitch with the vice grips up under there or something?
Like that,
Vice grips up under there? Oh, that bitch broke. This?
I know, I broke it on purpose.
For sure.
It was overlapping.
What's that you putting on right now?
That's a fuel disconnect, bro, because they had like this right here. They had this right here for the magnets and supercharger. So the original supercharger don't need none of that. It's just factory like connect. So we taking the aftermarket shit that they put on.
This motherfucker right here need to come up out of here, this chrome piece. And this chrome piece needs to slide onto this rail. You see this little clip, this little line right there?
All the way over there.
It clips on it up. So right now, the same clip is on this black piece. This here is supposed to go off into here and release the spring. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's in there releasing the spring. Problem is, the other side, it don't give us no room to get in there.
On this side.
Yeah, so we gotta go get a different type of release.
Too much game, we're gonna have to charge them.
Oh yeah.
Pull up on it, bro. I'll put down on this side.
All right, bet. You're supposed to push down and then pull up.
So I can get the pressure on the right.
Teamwork makes the dream work, my boys. Y'all see that? 2 brothers dropped the whole Redeye engine in this bad boy in 2 days. Boy, stop playing with them boys.
Oh yeah, now that
He said,
nigga,
Boosie, what'd he do? What Boosie do?
Shit.
What'd he do?
Bro, that nigga fucked up 4 pair of J's, 7 pair of forces in 2 days. Oh my mama. Don't watch the vlog, man. I'm not gonna tell you the schedule. I ain't gonna get it to you raw. He gonna put in work. fuck with the 4x4, but we burnt out on 4x4.
Burnt out on the 4x4. The biggie bag is out of there.
Don't sleep on Boosie. He ain't gonna hold the tool out like this. You know, some niggas that been like you, Boosie gonna grab that motherfucker.
I already know he put in work. Nigga, what happened right here, nigga? What did you hit? A yellow pole? Oh, I would have been hurt. Oh, no, it ain't that bad though. At least you ain't, it don't look like you dent the fender though. Yeah, that's just a little straight. A little nothing. Okay. Easy. I got my shit back from the dealership. I got 2 key marks on the side of my shit. Right here, look. Look at Haley. Hey, baby. You playing with the doggies? Look, he like you. Look, he rolled over. Pet him on his belly. Oh, the baby. He's the baby boy. He is a happy boy. Itty bitty. This a mechanic dog, so he a little dirty. He ain't white. He like bathes and shit because he work out. He works. He be carrying all the tools and shit. Oh, he sneezed. Bro, you can't tell me these wide bodies don't look good as fuck. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Bro, look at this. That bitch got some hips on her. Them bitches nasty, bro. If you get you one of these, make sure you get a wide body, bro. For sure. Them Virginia Slims is not working. Oh, look at Haley picking the whole dog up. She gonna take the dog. You gonna take her home? Take him home?
That nigga name dirty.
Dirty.
He had a dog that y'all could have took home, man.
I got too many. Stop it.
Yeah, man.
Y'all can. I'm about to win this hoe, y'all. I'm about to put a raffle in, bro. Y'all gonna see me in this hoe. I'm gonna accidentally win this hoe. Y'all gonna be mad as hell. Ooh! I can't wait to give me one of these. Look at this. This motivation, y'all. You see this? You see this? This motivation, man. That's that red key. Yeah. Ooh. Yes, sirski. That red key coming soon. Let me see that sandwich you got, boy. You know you hood. What's that over there? You got chips, cheese, and ham on that bad boy. You already know. Hey, you couldn't tell us. No, I already know. I ain't know. I ain't hungry. I already ate. Thank you, little brother. But you already know back in the day when we was kids, we used to eat them sandwiches with the chips, bologna, cheese, mayo on that motherfucker. Hey, kids still doing that to this day, bro. I just came over here real quick to check out the team, man. Nothing too serious, man. Boys about to get out of here. Got my car outside looking nasty. Ooh, that bitch nasty. Touching funny. I'm different, nigga. I swear to God, boy. Yes, sir. You already know. Nasty with it. Yes, sir. Look at that big motherfucker sitting on them 30s. Yes, sir, ski. Ooh-wee. That boy gone, man. Yes, sir. Man, dog, it's a blessing, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm damn near almost there, bro. Y'all stay tuned for this, man. Big SSG shit, man. I can't wait. I'm staying blessed. Look, God is good, man. Make sure y'all pray. Man, y'all stay tuned, man. The shop is coming up full effect soon, man. Y'all heard it, man. Y'all already know it's big SSG shit, man. Y'all stay up, man. Y'all already know, man. We taking this to the top. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. It was a quick video. I just came up here to see the boys real quick in the shop. You already know it's going up from here, man. Yes, sir. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Turn to the hawk and smash that bitch. Stop playing with me, man. You already know what's up. We up. Yes, sirski. So you already know we ate. Hey, you thought that was just a little daytime shit when I put over my boy outside, man. We came outside, man. We came to crew. Came to do what it do. I ain't want to pull my phone out because I ain't want to drop it, man. We was outside, bro. With everybody, yes, sir. My boy A2 Motivation.
Come on, gang. You know what time it is. Nigga, some
yes, sir.
We're going to sleep or we turning up, man.
Look at Black, bro. Look, he trying to get in the car. Look, he trying to run. Look, he trying to run. He drunk. Look. He trying to run.
I'm trying to get this side.
Oh, okay. Look at them chains, though. Jesus Christ. Chains, man.
Oh yeah?
This A2 Lamborghini though, this whole nasty little bitch though. I like this Lambo. Ooh wee. Yeah, big SSG shit outside, bro. Outside, bro. Yeah, you already know. Nah, man, we came outside the crew, man. You already know what we about to do. I'm probably about to do some donuts before I leave. I don't know yet. Came outside tonight, stop playing. Came outside with the gang, stop playing.
You know what I'm saying, man? You know, we outside. We go inside. Come do what you gotta do, man. Go home.
Iced out, what? That way, this way, that way, this way. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We outside, man. Hey, man, but at the end of the day, man, we seen him get his engine put in, bro. We came outside and turned up. Ooh, the truck just pushed me. I hope I got that on there. Hey, that's telling me to get in. That means I'm almost next. Yes, sir. That boy try to lock me in there. Try to put me in that bad boy. Oh, yeah. But no, man, you already know we continue tonight, man. We came outside, you know what I'm saying? We came to the crew, man. Man, you already know I'm about to be out this bitch, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. You already know we outside, man. Big SSG shit, man. I'm not stopping, man. Stop playing with me. It's up, nigga. Make sure you turn to the hawk and smash that bell icon, nigga. I ain't playing with y'all. Yes, sir, Ski.